Let us see how we can create a new user on AWS. First of all, you have to log on to your AWS Management Console and you can search the service which is IAM, known as Identity and Access Management. Click on this. Alternatively, you can go to this drop down and click on My Security Credentials and you will be routed on this page. Then you can go to Users and then click on Add User, and suppose I'm just writing like test user, and then I want to give it the programmatic access and AWS Management Console access. So programmatic access is used while you are working with Java or the Python or maybe some other programming language or SDK or CLI. Then you need these programmatic access credentials. Now I am clicking on custom password and I can supply any password here, but right now let's click on auto generated password. Click on next permissions, go on attach existing policies. So I'm clicking on administrator access, click on next tags, next review, and this is done. Create user. This is how we can create a new user on AWS. Now this is very important to note that after creating the user you will get a CSV file to download. Just click on it and save this CSV file. This is very important to store this CSV file somewhere safe, because this is it includes your credentials to log in through any CLI or SDK. If I click on this new user credentials, let me show you how it looks like. So it is showing me my username, which is test user, then my password, and then the access key, and then in the next column it is secret access key, then the console login link for this user, right? So these are some very important points to be noted here, and these access key ID and the secret access key are used when you are working with any programmatically, like using Python or Java or any other CLI. So this is how we can create a new user and see their credentials in an Excel file. Let me just go back to AWS and we can go back to users by clicking on close, and we can see a new user has been added today, and you can see that I have not used this user as of now. That's why it is showing as access key age and last activity is none. And if you want to delete this user or any of the other users, just click on it and hit delete user, and that user will be deleted. Thanks guys for watching this lecture. See you guys in the next lecture.